banana bread. I made some today, but with a little twist. Check it out. My friend Sherry told me about this banana bread recipe, but with frozen bananas. So you want to freeze the bananas when they are ripe. You can either peel them and freeze them or unpeel them and freeze them like I did here. And make sure these guys are completely defrosted before making the banana bread. 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of milk, but I substitute for extra creamy oat milk. And you'll need a 1/4 cup of melted butter, but make sure it's cooled before adding it to the bowl. You'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add that to the bowl and start mixing. Last, add 2 cups of flour, gradually mix it in. Then pour all the ingredients in a nice little loaf pan. Then put it in the oven at 375 degrees for an hour. Oh yeah, and as far as the taste, it tastes spectacular. Using frozen bananas definitely makes the banana bread taste just a smidge sweeter and just a smidge crispier. I'll have all the information of this recipe on my blog. Just head over to smartshopperdaphne.com. And if you want to catch any of my stuff, just head to any social media platform. You'll find me under Smart Shopper Daphne. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.